Keeping your tools secure and organized has never been easier. In this video, we'll explore the best truck toolboxes designed for durability, convenience, and performance, perfect for professionals and weekend warriors who demand the best from their gear. Number 1. Black Poly Truck Toolbox. The Black Poly Truck Toolbox offers a reliable and durable storage solution for your tools and equipment, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Crafted from dent-resistant polyethylene, this toolbox ensures that your items stay protected from damage, while its lightweight yet robust construction makes it easy to handle and transport. The double-wall hinged lid provides added durability, offering a high level of protection against the elements. Unlike traditional metal toolboxes, this poly box is rust-resistant, further enhancing its longevity and suitability for outdoor use. One of the standout features of this toolbox is its versatility. Designed to mount securely to your trailer frame, it provides a convenient and safe storage space that can help you stay organized, especially on the go. The toolbox is equipped with a corrosion-resistant hinge and a zinc-plated hasp that is compatible with standard padlocks. This feature ensures that your valuable tools are safe from theft and protected from the elements. Whether you're working on a construction site, going camping, or storing tools in your garage, this toolbox provides reliable security and peace of mind. Furthermore, the design of the Black Poly Truck Toolbox focuses on practicality. Its compact size allows for easy installation and access, and the secure mounting to the trailer frame ensures that the toolbox remains stable even when driving on rough terrain. The lightweight nature of the box does not compromise its strength, making it a perfect choice for long-term use. Number 2. 48-inch aluminum truck toolbox. The 48-inch aluminum truck toolbox is a high-quality, durable storage solution designed to keep your tools and equipment safe and organized. Measuring 48 inches in length, 15 inches in width, and 15 inches in height, this toolbox offers ample space to store all your essential tools while maintaining a compact and manageable size. Made from all-welded aluminum, this toolbox is not only lightweight but also incredibly durable, able to withstand the rigors of daily use and harsh outdoor environments. The diamond plate surface adds extra grip, preventing slipping and ensuring that the toolbox remains stable even when loaded with heavy tools. One of the standout features of this toolbox is its organizational capabilities. It provides plenty of room to store a wide range of tools and equipment, helping you keep everything neatly arranged and easy to find. No more digging through a messy, disorganized tool bag. With this truck toolbox, you'll have a dedicated spot for each tool, making your work more efficient and reducing the time spent searching for what you need. The toolbox is designed for convenience and security. It comes with handles on both sides, allowing for easy portability and the option to move it between vehicles or locations with ease. Additionally, the toolbox features a lock and key system, offering extra security for your tools. This ensures that your equipment stays safe from theft, whether you're working on a job site or simply leaving your tools in the back of your truck overnight. Another feature that sets this toolbox apart is its versatility. It can be used in various settings, whether mounted in the bed of a truck, attached to the tongue of a trailer, or placed in an outdoor environment. Number 3. Yitamotor 30-inch truck bed toolbox. The Yitamotor 30-inch truck bed toolbox is a premium storage solution designed to maximize the space in your truck bed while offering superior organization and protection for your tools. With a unique sliding shelf design, this toolbox provides extra storage space for small tools, screws, and other items that are often difficult to organize. The sliding shelf helps improve work efficiency by making smaller items easy to access and preventing clutter. In addition, the gas strut feature allows the lid to open fully without the need for manual support, providing easy and full access to the contents inside. Crafted from high-density aluminum, this toolbox is built to withstand the harshest environments. The non-slip surface ensures that your tools stay securely in place, while the toolbox's resistance to oxidation helps maintain its appearance and performance over time. Whether you're using it in a pickup truck, RV, or trailer, the Yitamotor toolbox will stand up to the elements, providing long-lasting reliability. Security is a key consideration in the design of this toolbox. The sturdy lock keeps your tools safe, offering peace of mind that your equipment will remain secure, even in less than ideal conditions. Additionally, the stainless steel handles on both sides allow for easy handling and removal, making it simple to transport the toolbox as needed. The weather protection features of the Yitamotor toolbox are particularly noteworthy. The sealing strips and professional powder coating work together to create a waterproof and rust-resistant barrier, ensuring that your tools stay dry and protected from the elements. Number 4. UnderCover Truck Bed Storage Box. The UnderCover Truck Bed Storage Box is a fantastic solution for Ford F-150 owners looking to enhance their truck's storage capabilities. Specifically designed to fit the 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150, including the Lightning model, this storage box offers a perfect fit, ensuring that it will integrate seamlessly with your vehicle. Made in the USA with globally sourced materials, the UnderCover storage box is built to offer durability and reliability in any environment. One of the key features of this storage box is its compatibility with truck bed covers. It maintains a 3-inch clearance from the truck bed, making it compatible with virtually all tonneau covers, including soft, hard, folding, and rolling models. This design ensures that you can continue to use your truck's bed cover while adding extra storage space, making it a highly versatile addition to your vehicle. The UnderCover swing case offers exceptional accessibility. It swings out nearly 180 degrees toward you, allowing for easy access from the tailgate, and swings back into a locking position over the wheel well for maximum bed access. This innovative design ensures that you can easily access your tools and equipment without having to climb into the truck bed or awkwardly reach for items stored at the far end. Number 5. Confote Aluminum Toolbox. The Confote Aluminum Toolbox is a high-performance storage solution that combines strength, durability, and versatility. Constructed with a striped tread pattern, this toolbox is reinforced for maximum strength and longevity, ensuring it can withstand heavy use and tough conditions. Its rust and corrosion-resistant design guarantee that the toolbox will perform reliably for years, even in harsh weather conditions. One of the key features of this toolbox is its secure and protective design. A stainless steel latch keeps your tools and supplies secure, preventing theft or damage. The weatherguard rubber seal ensures that no moisture or water can seep through, keeping your tools dry and safe from rust and corrosion. This makes the Confote Aluminum Toolbox an ideal choice for outdoor storage, whether you're working on a construction site, going camping, or storing tools in your garage. The toolbox is designed for easy use and installation. It can be mounted on a hitch rack, cargo rack of your camper, or the tongue of an enclosed trailer. It's also well-suited for installation at the rear of an RV, providing extra storage for your tools, equipment, and accessories. The spacious cabinet offers plenty of storage for small items, camping supplies, or other essentials, ensuring that you have everything you need on hand. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.